Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to connect DocuSign to Google Drive. This integration makes it easy to automatically store and organize your sent documents in the cloud, so you can access them anytime. Let's go through the steps and get it set up. On the DocuSign dashboard, we will click on Admin at the top of the dashboard. Once we're here, we need to scroll down to Integrations. You can see it right here. Next, we will click on App Center, which will take us to the application list. Once we're here, we can see Google Drive. We just need to click on Google Drive. Then, click Install App. Now we just need to install and authorize the app so it is fully connected. Let's wait for this to complete. As you can see, it is now successfully installed in DocuSign. We can now use Google Drive as a storage drive for DocuSign. And that's how we connect DocuSign to Google Drive. With this setup, your documents will stay organized and securely stored in one place.